Did you know that Excel can make your life 10 times easier in just a few minutes? If you are a beginner or even a casual user, this crash course is your shortcut to mastering Excel in only 5 minutes. Stick around and you won't believe how simple Excel can be. Welcome to Tech Table Tutor, where learning tech is simple and fun. Today we will cover Excel basics in just 5 minutes to get you started quickly. So let's start with the basics. When you open Excel, you will see a grid made up of rows that go from 1 to 1000 plus and columns A to Z and beyond. Together they form cells where all the magic happens. Each cell is named with its location like A1 or B2, and that's where you will enter your data. Okay, let's get some data in there. In A1 type name, in B1 type age, and in C1 type city. Now below each column enter the following example data. Now you have got a simple table, easy, right? Let's make this table pop. Highlight the entire table, then head to the Home tab and click on Format as Table. Pick your favorite style, and now your data is not only organized, it looks professional too. Excel is not just about entering data, it's about working with it. Let's calculate the total age. In B5, type this formula equals to sum, open parenthesis, select the range, close parenthesis, and hit enter. And Excel adds up all the ages for you. If you are finding this helpful so far, give this video a like, share it with your friends who need to learn Excel, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Table Tutor for more quick tips. Now back to the fun. Want to organize your data? It's as simple as a click. Highlight the entire table, go to the Data tab, and click on Sort A to Z. Now the names are sorted alphabetically, and the ages and cities stay perfectly aligned. Here is a cool Excel trick: turning your data into a chart. Select your table, go to the Insert tab and click on Insert Chart. Choose a bar chart. Now you can see the age distribution of these names with a clear visual. Here is a game changer: freezing panes. If you are scrolling down a long list of data, it's easy to lose track of your headers. To freeze them, go to the View tab and click Freeze Panes. Now your headers will always stay visible as you scroll through the table. So in just 5 minutes, you have learned how to create a table, format it, use basic formulas, sort data, create charts, and even freeze your header row. Excel is powerful, and with these basics, you are on your way to being an Excel pro. Want to dive deeper into Excel or learn some advanced tricks? Subscribe to Tech Table Tutor and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.